Basically, my observation is that people always want to know about themselves. क्या होता है? They are very interested. I have seen the accuracy and motivation levels to know about themselves. तो मैं देख रहा था, they are very excited about. But for them, this is a very new things because they don't know about this handwriting analysis. They have never done this before. So people are very cursory and they are asking me कि मुझे मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा मौका पर्सनल डिस्कशन करने का. I have told him you will get a chance, you don't worry, and you will also get the name and number of Mr. Zain, and you can go and discuss with him in the office also. So I think that this is a very useful tools for every person in the personal life, in the business life, for the personality development, or psychological development. So I think this is one of the best program to analyze yourself and take a corrective action for the future. That's all.
About the workshop, about the half-an-hour workshop which you had.
This is very interactive. This is interactive and very knowledgeable. We have got good knowledge about your handwriting analysis and how this is beneficial for the public, for the person in the business, in the personal life, and you as a group, you including your supporting staff has done very good. So I am overall very satisfied with your workshop, and we definitely recommended our senior to do this for our staffs and our distributor, all of them.
Your name and your organization?
My name is Ajay Kumar Jha. I am a cluster head of Kolkata C, and I am working with ICICI Securities Limited.